In today's workplace, productivity is evolving. It's no longer just about tasks, it's about knowledge and collaboration. As we navigate the digital landscape, operational duties blend with strategic decision-making. This shift creates complex challenges for organizations. Hybrid work models have changed how teams communicate. We now balance live meetings and messaging apps like Slack and Microsoft Teams. This flexibility can lead to coordination struggles and information overload. Employees often face cognitive strain from too much information. Routine tasks eat up valuable time and increase the risk of burnout. This hinders our ability to think strategically. Enter AI agents. These intelligent collaborators are redefining productivity. They leverage natural language processing and learn continuously. By managing tasks like scheduling and document processing, they lighten the cognitive load. Technological advancements have matured AI tools. Platforms like ChatGPT and Google Gemini enable seamless integration with existing workflows. Intelligent automation can unlock new levels of productivity. To implement AI successfully, businesses need structured frameworks. Evaluating capabilities is crucial. Organizations aligning AI solutions with goals will see significant performance boosts. Key pillars for adopting AI include transparency in design and building user trust. Continuous feedback loops are essential for refinement. Attention to security and compliance protects data while enhancing productivity. As AI agents move from pilot programs to mainstream use, the competitive landscape will evolve. Companies embracing these technologies will enjoy faster decisions, optimized costs, and better customer experiences. Integrating AI into workplace processes is a chance to redefine productivity. With strategic insights, organizations can maximize AI benefits and position themselves for future success. Are you ready to explore AI's potential in your workplace? Visit the Ogvation web store for free resources and actionable insights on effective AI implementation. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.